Welcome to Wiggle Sticks TV.
Just got back from doing a spin in the hills on the 96. It's the first time I ended up making it outside of the city and into the hilly roads that I normally ride out towards Warburton and the Reefton Spur, because the restrictions from COVID or whatever have eased a little bit, and this weekend there's no restrictions. So we took the chance to get out there today with a mate, and it was great to get out into the hills, and the bike ran really, really well. No dramas. Engine felt really strong. Rear suspension, it was working much better than the other one. I still think it could be tweaked a little bit, and I really need to have a look at the front and just try and make it a bit less stiff, I guess, and a little bit more compliant. But for the first run out, first proper run, I did ride it a couple of 100 Ks last time, but that was pretty much just straight down the freeway and it was freezing. This was a proper ride. Electrical problems and everything are gone. Started and stopped it multiple times over the course of the day. So it went really, really well. It was awesome to get out into the hills. So I think the next stage for this is I'll pull this fairing off, do an oil change, because it's probably done 500 or 600 Ks now since we started this engine the first time, and then I'll just go back and check all the bolts to make sure they're all tight, and just see if there's any little leaks or other gremlins that I haven't been able to spot with the fairing on, and then I'll test fit the track fairing that I've been fixing, and get that all fitted up and get the light in place, and then I can send that off and get painted. The one thing that was kind of annoying today was that seat is super hard and not terribly comfortable for a couple 100 Ks on the road. It was okay for the first half, but on the way back ended up getting a bit of a sore butt, but I guess that's sort of to be expected. So overall a really good day. Bike went well. I'm so much looking forward to getting on the track now. So that's a little update for now. The Nitron shock was definitely worth it, I think. I didn't adjust it at all today, but it definitely felt much nicer and everything, and much more plush, as you would expect, than a 25-year-old OEM item. I think we're looking forward to get back to the track and getting that sorted so that it's in a much better kind of place, much more balanced place, I mean. So I think very happy with today, and bodes well for the summer, I think. Thanks for watching.